How to delete your X account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete your X, also known as Twitter account. Let's get started. Open up your X mobile app. Go to your profile picture in the top left corner and then scroll down, go to settings and privacy. And once you're there, tap on your account and then you can see deactivate your account at the bottom. Tap on it. So you can see deactivate option at the bottom. So once you deactivate your account, you can restore it up to 30 days, but after that your account will be permanently deactivated. That means deleted. So you can tap on deactivate and then the Gmail address that you have used for your Twitter account, X will send a code there. You need to verify the code and your account will be deactivated. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.